Alright guys, so what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to give you the, after ride review of this helmet. As you can see, I've done some changes to it, put a little tape over that thing, clear shield, and I believe that's it, but let's get into it. The points that I should point out here are that the visor is clear now. I changed it back to clear because I've been riding my bike to work, and in the mornings you can't really see when it's dark out, of course, but that's the main reason I changed it, or I would have kept it a dark one. The shield itself's really nice. It doesn't do any weird funny stuff in the plastic or anything, so it's pretty clear to see through. Same thing with the shaded one. The vents in the front, if you guys watch my unboxing or review, first review without a ride or whatever, these are always open. They never, you can't close them unless you put a piece of tape over them or something. Anyways, that being said, I like it on warm days. Hot days it's really nice also, but if it's like below 65, it just sucks. You're just scooping all the cold air right here on your face, so that sucks in the morning when you wake up and you just get blasted with cold air right in the face. So I don't know if that's a pro or a con. It's kind of in the middle because I like it some days and other days I hate it, and I've tried to put tape over them and then the shield fogs. So if you're buying this helmet, if you bought this helmet, don't put tape over the front vents. It'll just fog your visor and it's just a mess. Anyways, while there's tape over where the sunglass thing can flip down, it creates a lot of wind noise in the helmet, which it's loud anyways because these are always open. And this top vent doesn't really seal at all. You hear it also. But that's like, I'd say probably half your wind noise in your helmet. If you tape that, it gets a lot quieter. I've also added a chin curtain on the bottom. I think I made it out of like a old sock or something. I just didn't want to buy one and wait for it to come in just to go riding, so I figured I'd do this. I'll eventually buy one. They're like $7 to $9 or something like that. Other than that, it's a really good helmet. I would definitely suggest buying it. It does flow a ton of air in the summer, so I think in the fall or early spring of next year, I might buy me another helmet that I can close all the vents and the visor doesn't fog. I found myself having to crack the visor a lot on the helmet because it fogs so often. The tinted one I never rode when it was cold really, so I never really got to tell, I guess, if that one fogged up or not. I'm sure Icon says that they have a fog-free coating or whatnot. I have wiped this one down a couple of times, not on the inside but the outside. I don't see any fog protection on the inside at all really. Even with the vents open and air blowing on it, it still fogs with it completely shut, so you have to crack it and it'll unfog it. This vent up here does absolutely nothing. I've opened and closed it multiple times. I've never felt air come through there. I mean, maybe it's because I have the sunglass thing taped and it's not allowing those to move or anything, to kind of move the air around them, because the hole goes right through the nose piece on the shades. So if it's moved down some, it's just blocking all the air that's coming in. But other than that, the inside, I've never had a problem with it getting soaked, I guess, with sweat. I have washed the pads once before after like 1,000 miles or something. I have about 1,500 miles in it now, so it's not like just a couple hundred miles. I'm like, oh yeah, let's make a review about it. But 1,500 miles, it cleans up really easy. I still am in love with the color scheme of it. I probably will try to find something else loud like this helmet for my next helmet if I do end up getting one for next spring and next fall. But It doesn't do too bad on the interstate. Of course, the cars and stuff will blow you around, but I think it holds your head pretty steady for what it is, and the fact that the spoilers are so far back on the helmet. I think it holds my head relatively well. And also, these do glow. My wife actually took some pictures and I think maybe a video. If not, I'll insert them right now. Once you get to the dark, you can really see it. I know when I made the first review, I said it was really faint. Well, that was also under like in-house lighting, I guess. And when I took the pictures, I was outside riding from work to home, so it had about 30 minutes in straight sunlight. Before and after ride, I'm gonna say this is a really good helmet. I've only had one other helmet as a Speed and Strength SS 800 maybe. This feels better than that. The interior feels a lot more quality than what it was. Nothing against Speed and Strength, they're good budget or whatnot, but I really like this helmet, the way it feels, the way it fits. Of course, the fact that it doesn't come with a chin curtain is kind of a letdown. I kind of wish I would have added that in there, or maybe took the glasses off the side for only having one forehead vent. But I would say out of the two helmets I've had, I say it's a solid 8, probably out of 10. If you're looking for a helmet for, I think I paid $225 for it maybe. But for the price, it's a really good helmet. I like it. It feels quality for what you pay for. It doesn't feel like you just kind of, like it's, I guess, uncomfortable on your head. Like you don't want to just pull it off and ride without it rather than put it on. It's really comfortable. Does really good with the wind noise as long as you tape that. The vents are good on warm days, not good on cold days. And it's just an overall good helmet on the interstate, on side roads, up to 97 miles an hour. But that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching the after ride review of this helmet. Tell me what you guys think. If there's anything I need to work on, let me know. I know I'm kind of awkward. It's been my first couple videos for a month or two, so being out of it and not really being in it at all in the first time, it's just kind of weird and stuff. But anyways, any questions, anything really, put it in the comments. Let me know. Let me hear your thoughts. But that'll be it for this one. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Don't look at me like that, unless you really like that. You know my body, I don't have time to wait. Oh no, I pull up, she look at me like she ready to devour me at the door. She only fuck with bosses, so my order turn her on. Bustin' on them,